1, 2024, first day of May for Euro. Yeah, today Euros, is very nice, little small roller coaster, but overall, I would say if you go long, you can make good profit for today. And yesterday, I said, let's look at daily chart. Yesterday, I said the major support is this one, as long as it's not trading below this blue trend line and close below it. It's okay. It's still slightly bullish. This could be bad trap. That's what I said yesterday. Now it bounced, very beautiful, bounced off the support right here, and then went all the way. I said resistance should be 5-day and 10-day moving average and 20-day. So it tested 5-day moving average today as my favorite strategy. 5-day moving average usually about 90% of the time will be tested over and over about 90% of the time. So 5-day moving average is very important. So it got tested, even close above 5 and 10-day. Now it's 20-day moving average just stopped the movement. It closed right before it. Okay, let's look at 5-minute chart here. There's some pattern I want to go over. This is a typical pattern. Look at this one. In the yesterday evening, we had a sell-off, right? And then another sell-off, even when the market opened in the afternoon, in the evening, another sell-off. This looks like a tapering. Typical when we see tapering pattern like this or falling wedge. This is a sort of falling wedge and tapering. Usually it will reverse itself. That means there will be a reversal after a long period of tapering without significant fall. Like this one, there's more than 10 hours slowly grinding, slowly going downward, like a gyro going downward. But it's not like a huge drop, right? Very small, only about less than 20 pips drop right here. It's about 20 pips. So it's within 10 hours almost. So this is a tapering. It's already give us a signal. It's a reversal signal right here. So it did happen. I got in, I think around here. My entry is around here. However, I got out, way too early. So about 15 pips, I think I got out. Not much profit. My mainly focus is on the SPY today. But anyway, it's still profit is a profit, right? Although I didn't catch this one. I was looking at the SPY, the Dow Jones. Okay, but anyway, just point out, when you see tapering or falling wedge, look for a reversal or another new trend, either reversal or new trend. Okay, let's look at tomorrow. What's going to happen tomorrow after we have a roller coaster, FOMC? After FOMC, no, the rates remain the same, no rate cuts, So what's going to happen? I guess the euro take it, differently. Let's look at daily. Oh yeah, and let's look at 15 and 60-minute chart. As my annual strategy, right? 200 moving average. I always make my trading simple. Look at the 200 moving average. 15-minute chart and 60-minute time frame, both time frames. Now it's trading and close about 200 moving average. Look at 15-minute time frame, euro. Now it looks like the 50 moving average will cross 200. That means it's more upward movement coming. Now we have a major resistance here, 20-day, and this one right here. Major resistance 1.073 right here. If we can break above, it will go further more. Okay, so look at 60-minute time frame too. It's trading about 200. If it stays above 200 moving average, it will continue go up. Okay, let's look at daily. Oh yeah, look at 60. Let's go back here, 60-minute. Okay, the 5-day moving average is magenta 1.07. You see the trend line here, magenta trend line? That is a 5-day moving average. And the green line is 10-day moving average, this trend line. So yesterday, 5, 10, 20-day were resistance. Now today is support. Now 5-day and 10-day now become support now. So watch out. As long as stays above 200 moving average on 15-minute and also on 5 and 10-day, it will take off from here. That means there will be a new uptrend. Probably we will retest the 5-day a little bit, maybe a little bit lower. That's it, in my opinion. Look at daily chart. This blue trend line, it seems like a strong support. It's a major support now, right? It's a major support. Yesterday we had a sell-off, but today it didn't close below the trend line. This is a good sign. As long as it stays above it, that means it's still bullish. If we look at daily chart, look at it. Look, seems like the 5-day wants to, or 10-day wants to cross about 20-day moving average. What does it mean? That means it has to create momentum, create upward momentum in order for the 5-day or 10-day moving average cross about 20-day. Seems like you have more energy for the upside. And look, and also look at, okay, lower low, lower high, right? Lower high, lower low, and this one lower high. And now it seems like if this trend line is the bottom, temporary bottom, or this major support, that means this is turning around. If this is a higher low now, if this support is a major support, this higher low, that means we need a higher high. It's turning around. It might hit this trend line right here. So watch out. Either this week or next week, it might hit 1.08 level. Another major resistance right here. Okay? It's major resistance right here. So let's see, tomorrow it will break through this resistance first. Let's look at level by level. It's too early to say it will get up there tomorrow or this week, but let's assume hopefully it will break this one 1.074 first. As long as it's close above it tomorrow, it will definitely is heading up there. That means it's forming, it's turning around higher low, and then hopefully we get higher high. If this is a true major support or bottom for this leg, okay? So watch out for tomorrow. Yeah, that's the only thing I can think of. Yeah, you look at it from my analysis, purely technical analysis, okay? It's nothing, it's based on about 30% based on news, but mostly, more than 70% is based on technical analysis. When you see a pattern, look for, low, buy low, sell high. That's the strategy. So you look at 240-minute, this, kind of upward trend line is seems like going, want to go up there, right? It looks like you want to head this way, 1.0776, 1.76, that means, on the daily charts, it's right a little bit above right here. It's possible tomorrow it might, hit up here, this level, this resistance. So we will see. So it will either go up or this is the top or roll down, okay? As long as, this trend line on the daily chart, this one, it holds, the major support holds, it should be slightly bullish. Once it trade and close below here, terrible. That means, it has to retest all the way down here. Okay, good luck on your trading. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.